looks like Jackie Boy has got a new intro, huh? Oh yeah, today we're going to be checking out a new Cannonball Chaos event. I'm in the top 1 already because I've been playing it. Right here. Yep. I think I'm in first in this event. So, it did change. I think that it did change, so I think that I'm in first because I've got the same amount as it said here, and before it said 1,500 you need to get. So we'll be checking out that today too, and also our Stumble Pass episode 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stuff we need to get, and I've already got some stuff, and I'll show you that in a second. Alright, let's get in. Let's try and play it. Try and get a win or something. Try and do it. Here we go. So it's always Cannon Climb for the first round. And here's our pizza. So here we go. Might throw a banana at that dude. No. And also there's a glitch here where you can... Wait. Like that, yeah. So you jump, you go in between both of them. Oh! Yeah, it's a Stumble Guys glitch. And I found out it. Always jump to the corner there. Boom. No, I want to hug him. Let's just chill here. Do nothing. Try and hug someone into the water, actually. Oh, okay. Let's see if we can win. There are a lot of special skins here. And a couple of legendaries. I think one something. Ah. Okay, we made it. Even though I was just stressing them because that was so hard. I almost lost, but the gold rabbit died. I mean, lost. Right, so I'll explain to you how this works. So you automatically be or nothing at first if you don't play it, and then if you just play it once, you'll get 10, and then you'll just automatically get 50. You'll automatically get like 50 stars, and then but if you keep on playing for a little bit, and only a little bit, you'll get to top 50%, and you'll get 100, and then top 25, gems, and stars, and of course I'm in top 1%, and I don't know if I'm like winning in this event or not. Could be. That's how it works. And also you can just go back if you don't want to see that. And I'm almost on this one. The footsteps. Zoom footsteps. And then after we complete 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 are all it. No gaps. Alright, let's get into this. No, 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 no! Okay, good. Right, let's go! I do not like this. Oh, there's already like a bunch of the color guides. 1, 2. And then where's the diamond? He die? Looks like he did. Dude, I can tell you're gonna punch me. Don't do that. Oh. No, not as soon as possible. Please, game, I'm begging you, let me win. Oh, it didn't work that time. Oh, he just kicked into the banana and he didn't die? Here we go, there are so many bolts, they're just the luckiest people on earth. Dude. You're freaking me out. Ow. Banana! Yes! Banana! He's a duplicate though. I got a banana duplicate, just in the lucky wheel. Thought I was gonna get 500 gems though. Well, we can spin this. Okay, what will we get? You serious? Wait a minute, we can get this. Okay. What will we get? Why does it say 5 gems is common? That was weird. Huge thanks to my fans for friending me. Now I can play with them. Look at Sebi. Got a lot of wins and a lot of experience. And there's my mom. I'm a newbie. Pro Rojo. Mattias Gonvey, thank you everyone. And remember, you can always friend me in this game. I had 2 people trying to friend me today, it was cool. Anyway, let's get back into the video. Oof! Baby! Ooh. Ooh. Dude, Stumble James is killing people. Kicking people, and then he just got like whacked off the edge. I'm gonna wait for Stumble James. There he is. Stumble James, hello. Yeah, so this Exeter KRD is Stumble James. Again, I have that one. I knew he was gonna kick me. I'm just gonna like go for him now. What the heck? I just got sniped and hit in the same time and diving? That was the most cursed thing in the world. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it there. It was a pretty short video, but my internet is too bad. So I'll try and fix it and make another episode later. See you guys.